Okay, let's go to the last problem, shall we? Cosine of 60 plus 45 degrees. Now, let's look at our formula. Jithins, what is the formula?
For cos A plus B. Cos of A plus B is equal to cos A times cos B minus sine A times sine B.
Yes.
Yay.
Now let's put it over here.
Alright, so
Cos of A is 60 degrees. So now let's look at our 60-degree triangle. And what is the cosine of 60?
cosine of 60. So, since cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, right?
Yes.
Of 60 would be adjacent 1 over hypotenuse 2.
Yes.
So it's equal to 1/2.
Alright.
And this is cos of A.
Yes. Now,
Cos of B.
which is also cos of 45.
45. Alright, so we use this, and so we use adjacent over hypotenuse. So it's rad 2 over 2.
Yes.
So that's equal to rad 2 over 2, which is cos B. Now we have to find the two sines.
Alright then.
So sine of A is sine of 60, which is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So
Which
it would be
is
rad 3
over 2.
Sine of A.
Alright.
And then sine of B is sine of 45, which is opposite over hypotenuse again. So opposite rad 2 over hypotenuse 2.
Yay. Now, let's sub it into our formula.
Our formula is cos A cos B minus sine A sine B.
Alright.
So cos A is 1/2. Cos B is square root of 2 over 2. So it's cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. And so sine A is rad 3 over 2 times sine B, which is rad 2 over 2. So now we just solve this. So this would equal rad 2
over 4.
4 minus rad 6 over 4. Since they have a common denominator, we can subtract them, which would equal rad 2 minus rad 6 over 4.
Alright. Now, I think we've got it all, but just in case so you don't forget, I made a song for you. It's for the sum of two angles. You can remember it as sine, cosine, cosine, sine, cosine, cosine, sine, sine, tan, tan, draw a line, 1 minus the product of tans. Yay!
Oh, so fun.
Okay, now write it down.
Okay, and so rad of 2 minus rad 6 over 4.
You are correct.
Yes!
Ready, set. You've answered the problems. Now open the door.
Your voice is back.
Yeah.
Alright.
Whoa! Oh no, it's a spoon.
Oh no! What mathematical problem will we use for this?
I think we must use brute force.
Oh!
Oh yeah. Now, oh look, what's in here? Jithins has obtained rifle. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Oh look, Jithins, you're at Richard's house. No, what the? Oh man, you just broke through. Jithins, you're running out of time. Richard's gonna finish the book and burn it.
No!
Oh,
Let's go
look,
through.
what is this?
What are the formulas?
Of double and half angles.
Okay.
Alright. Wait, I have a book for you.
A book? What is this?
It is a reference sheet to help you with your math problems.
So the double angle sine 2A is equal to 2 sine A cos A. Is that right?
Yes,
Right.
Jithins.
Cos of 2A has 3.
Oh.
I must write down all of them.
What is this?
Oh, cos squared A minus sine squared A. That's one of them.
Alright,
The
keep
second
going.
one is 2 cos squared a minus 1.
Alright,
And
keep
the third
going.
one is 1 minus 2 sine squared a.
Alright.
Is that
very
James
nicely
Lee I
done.
hear in the background?
Yes, it is. Okay, back to the back.
Tan 2a is 2 tan a.
Evidence must be destroyed.
No! We're recording. We're recording. As we were saying.
Now that the area is completely James free,
Unfortunately.
2 tan a
Divided by 1
1 minus tan squared a.
Okay, so
Alright.
that covers the
Double
double
angles.
angles.
Now, the formulas for half angle are tan half a is plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos a over 1 plus cos a.
Very nice. Now what is cosine half?
Cosine half is plus or minus 1 plus cos a over 2.
Nice. Now let's go to sine.
Now sine is plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos a over 2. Yes!
Woo! Open it. You obtain sword. Oh, okay. Jithins, I just received news that Richard is finishing the book, so we won't have time to show what to do in those equations.
Alright, onward to Richard's
Let's go to Richard's room. Oh snap! It's the layer of the Richard.